Hello to one and all. I'm just going to show you a short demo on how end semester examination can be attempted on the TCS platform. This is only applicable to the regular final semester courses of the graduation batch, for which the question paper will be made available in the TCS platform. You can see the questions in the TCS platform as per your semester exam schedule, and the answer script, you have to write the answers on paper as per the template that is given in the VC's circular, and then upload in the exam wing, the Google exam classroom, right? So I'll just going to show the demo on how to see the questions in the TCS platform. Now before doing that, make sure you are well aware of your end semester schedule. If you go to the Shastra portal, this end semester exam schedule is made available as a running event. So you will find this end semester exam timetable as a running event. If you click this, you have to just put your register number, and make sure once you put your register number, you get to know the courses that you are supposed to appear and the timings, right? Now you log into the TCS iON Digital Learning Hub. So if you just go to Google and put TCS iON Digital Learning Hub, this is the URL for the TCS iON Digital Learning. Log in with your register number and the password. So I have already logged in, so it directly goes in. So you have to log in with your register number at shastra.ac.in with your password. In case if you have any login issues with this TCS iON, immediately get back to the support email that is being listed, so that this can be fixed up. Now once you log in, you can go to this my courses or courses menu, right? Sorry, let me just log off and go to the demo student login. So I'll just log off from the admin, and I log in through a demo user. Yeah, so this is the TCS iON Digital Learning Hub login. So if you put in Google TCS iON Digital Learning, and this is the URL of that, if you just click, it goes to this home page. Let me just use a demo student login. So I'm just logging in from a demo student. So when you go to the dashboard, so here you will see your name, whereas this is like a demo. So if you go to courses, under my courses, you will see the list of courses for which you have been enrolled. Now there might be some courses extra also, I mean in case if you have unfortunately have arrears, so those will also got listed, but you need not worry about any of the other extra courses. Your concern should be only on the end semester courses that you are going to write now, the final regular end semester courses that you are going to attempt through TCS. For students having arrear courses, the arrear courses exam question paper is not through the TCS logins, that will be through the Google Classroom. That will be through the Google Classroom of the exam wing. So in the exam wing Google Classroom, if you have enrolled, then there is where you will get a question paper to be raised as an assignment on that particular day of examination. So let us only focus on, even if you have multiple courses listed here, just to ensure that you have listed and have access to the regular courses of the final semester of your batch. You need not worry about other courses. The other thing which most students are concerned about, this date. You again need not worry about this date that is being shown alongside this courses. This date is the date of creation from the TCS end. We will not worry whether the date is shown as April or May or June. So this date is not a concern. Similarly, this percentage completed is also not as a concern to us. Whether it is 0% completed or 50% completed or 100% completed, let us not worry about anything with this percentage completion. This percentage completion also is nothing to do with the end semester. So we need not worry about the date, we need not worry about this percentage completion. You need to only ensure that you have the course code for which you are supposed to appear for the end semester examination of the regular courses in the TCS platform. Now once if you have these courses, you can launch the course anytime before the exam. Even today you can launch and see, there is nothing wrong. This is course launch and this is not the assessment launch. I will show you the demo on a course like NSEM01, but whereas you will have your own course code as Shastra underscore course code. That is what you might be seeing. So click at this launch. You will see a generic information saying that this is the same assessment view or the menu which will be used for end semester, and it was all earlier used for CA, right? Now here you will see a course code underscore NSEM pertaining to your course. Okay, so pertaining to that course on that examination, you will see this node. Click on this node. If you click on this node, this is what is the screen you should be seeing. You can see this screen even today for all your exams and get confirmed that you are able to see the screen. Now you will have total marks. There is no pass mark. The total marks should be 50 for all the end semester examination. Please ensure that the total marks is 50 for all the end semester examination. Only one attempt is allowed. The end semester is for a 90-minute duration, and you will see the start and the end time of the date. The start and end time of the date will be as per your end semester examination timetable that is hosted at the Shastra portal. So that means if you go to Shastra and put your register number and then see, the same date and time should appear over here. Now if you see those timetable, it is given as 2 hours. Like say for example, it is like say 9 to 11 o'clock is one schedule. Whereas in the TCS platform, it is given as only 90 minutes. That is because this 90 minutes is considered to be the time that is required for you for writing your answer script on the paper. That half an hour additional time is an excess, is an additional bonus time that is given for you to upload your answer script in the Google exam classroom, right? Now this launch assessment will be in green only if you are within this time window. Now today is 14th June and the time now is 1:30. So it is 14th June 1:30, which is in between this time. So my launch assessment during demonstration is green. Whereas suppose today if you log in and see for your group A OE courses, which is scheduled tomorrow, you will see all this information, but this launch assessment will not be green. If you click this launch assessment, it will give you a message saying that the activity cannot be launched, right? So you can see this. Just ensure that you are having access to this. In case if you are not having access to this, do send email, right? You can send email to dycoe@shastra.edu, and you can also mark a copy to TCS iON support, TCS iON support at shastra.ac.in. Okay, so that needful action can be taken. Now let me launch an assessment. I would advise all of you to launch the assessment at the beginning time. So if your exam is from 9 to 11, you should start your assessment at 9 o'clock. If it's your exam at, it's say 11 to 1 o'clock, then you should start the assessment at 11 o'clock. So please don't wait exactly at the starting time, launch the assessment. So I'm just launching a demo assessment. So it shows that the launch screen is 1.5 hours. Kindly wait for a minute or so for this launch assessment to load. Please don't keep on clicking. If you keep on clicking, multiple instruction will hang your system. So wait for a minute, and I hope you will have a good internet connection so that this can be loaded. So when you just begin, you can read through this instruction and just say begin. the questions will be populated. I repeat, we are going to have subjective questions. So you can note down the questions. So if you see, for all your regular 8 semester courses or the 10 semester courses or the final 4th semester courses, depending upon whether you are from engineering, law or an MBA stream, you will see 4 questions. Okay, there is a calculator at the top, right? You can click any of this question in any random order. So you can just click at the beginning itself. When you just read this question, you can just say mark as answered. Okay, so you can just say mark as answered. There is nothing like answer you are going to type here. This mark as answered is just required as a background information of attendance for end semester. So that is very important, that as you see the question, you just say mark as answered. Even if you click mark as answered, let's say I will mark answered as every question, and then I will show you. So second, third and the fourth question, you can again go back to the first question or to the third question or to the second question. So that means even when you mark answer, till you submit, you can keep going to any of the question. Now what I would advise is, at every question you just take a snapshot. You can take a snapshot in your mobile, you can take a print screen in your computer, or you can just press Ctrl P so that it will take as a print. Okay, so either you can do Ctrl P, or you can do a print screen, or you can take a photo on your mobile. If you are seeing this on laptop, you can do a photo or a screenshot. So you save all your questions at the beginning of the assessment. You can also see the entire question paper in a single stretch by clicking at this icon at the top where you have a question paper. If you click, these are all your 4 questions. So that means in a single shot, in a single screen, you would be able to see all your 4 questions. If this is not convenient to you, you can click all the questions, take one by one the print screen or a screenshot, or you can print it as a PDF. Once you have taken copy of all your 4 questions, okay, mark as answered and then just say submit. So this process should only take at the maximum 5 minutes. So that means you don't need to have a complete internet connection. Log in into the TCS Ideal, launch the assessment, see all the 4 questions. Either you can see one by one, or you can see the entire question paper. Take a screenshot or a print screen, or put Ctrl P and then save it. Once you have done, just submit this assignment, and you can then start writing. It will say assessment has been submitted successfully. For some users, this pop-up window which I am now showing on the screen, a small pop-up window of info, might appear little late because of internet connectivity, but you need not worry. As long as you have marked answers, mark as answered in all your previous stage, and you said okay, this is perfectly fine, it is already registered for attendance at the back shot, you can just click say okay, and you can exit the assessment. You log off from TCS. Okay, so it will say it is submitted for evaluation. That's it. You just close, exit, and then start writing the answers as per the instruction given in the circular. You have to use that template, and at the end of 1 hour, submit the answer. At the end, before the end of 2 hours, submit the answer in the Google Classroom. So let me repeat, for all final semester regular courses, the questions to be seen in the TCS Ideal, TCS iON Digital Learning. For arrear courses, okay, questions question will be posted as assignment in the Google exam classroom at the time of the examination. So that is one thing. For both regular and arrear courses, the answer script, so that means either scan, image, or better it is PDF, should be uploaded in the exam Google Classroom. So right in the exam Google Classroom, you have to upload. So under the assignment, so you will upload under the assignment which will be available on the date of exam, right? So this is very important. If you are not having access to the exam Google Classroom, immediately you can check today and inform DYCOE at shastra.edu. If you are facing login issues in the TCS IDL, or if your course is not available, if your course is not available or in the TCS IDL, then make sure you send email to TCS iON support at shastra.ac.in. So TCS iON support at shastra.ac.in. So I hope I have given all the instruction and it is very clear. Now one more final instruction which is very important: upload your answer script. So upload your answer script as a single PDF or as a single zip file, and name the file name. So the PDF file name or the zip file name can be like course code hyphen registration number. Like for example, if your course code is CHE105 and your registration number is 120002001, so either you put it like this or you upload like this. So make sure upload your answer script in the Google exam classroom as a single PDF or a single zip file. It is better if it is PDF, but if you are not able to make it a PDF, or if you do not know or whatever, then make it as a single zip file and make it in the form of course code hyphen registration number and then upload, right? All the best. If there are any doubt, any concern, kindly email to these two email IDs for the issues that is given here. Make sure you are able to see all your exam courses in your TCS IDL, and you are able to see the date and time under the launch. You can launch the course, but in the assessment window only you should be able to see this date and time, like something I have shown here. So this is uh, launching of the course. After launching the course, if you see here, you should be able to see your date and time for that particular exam. And at the end of exam, by 2 hours, you are supposed to upload the answer script. Answer script should be uploaded as a single PDF or a single zip file. Thank you for patiently watching this video, and all the best for your end semester examination.